Hi there, welcome to my channel on pedagogical instructions. Remember to subscribe, like, and share for more video updates. In today's video, I will be showing you how to change the orientation of your page as well as how to change text orientation and how to delete columns or rows from a table. Let's begin. Okay, so say for example, you have this page. So this is in portrait, right? It's in a standing position from top to bottom. And you want to include another page in this particular document, but you want it to be landscape. So you want the page to turn across. This is how you do it. So you click at the end of the last sentence. Or if it's a table on the page, you click at the bottom of the table, right? Outside the table or below the table. So here I click on at the end of the last sentence. Then I will go to, so I'm going to go to page layout. I go to page layout. Then I click on margin. Then I go down to custom margin. Then I am going to, at orientation here, I'm going to click on landscape. And then at apply to, I will click on this down arrow and I'm going to select this point forward. Then I say OK. Now you realize this is the original page. It's in portrait. And now the page that I'm going on is in landscape. Now for this particular page, I am going to add a table. So I'm going to click on insert from the insert menu tool. Then I'm going to click on table. I'm going to go down. I'm going to insert table. I'm going to determine the number of cells or rows that my table will have, right? So I'm going to work with 5 columns and I'm going to say about 6 rows. So I'm going to increase that. Then I say, okay, so this is my table, right? Okay, now I'm going to add some data into my table. All right, so basically my text appear horizontal. Okay, so that is the original way that text will appear when you type it. So the first thing I want to do, I am going to decide, okay, all right, so I had inserted a table with 5 columns and 6 rows, and say, for example, I no longer want 3 of the rows that are there. So what I will do, I will highlight the number of rows that I wish to eliminate or delete. Then I will right click on my mouse. I will say delete cells and then I'm going to say delete entire rows and I say okay. So there I have all those 3 rows that I no longer need have been deleted. Alright, so now I'm going to move to the next part of my video, and that's the change orientation of the text. So I want to change the direction, text direction of my text. I want to change it from them appearing horizontally to now appearing vertically. So I highlight the text that I have here. Then I am going to go to layout. So I click, once it is that you are working in a table, you are going to see a draw tool appear at the top of your screen just above design and layout, right? So I click on layout and over here where you see text direction, the default text direction is from left to right. But I want to change that to appear from bottom to top. So the text should be pointing upwards. So I'm going to click on the text direction tool until the arrows are pointing upwards. So now the arrows are pointing downwards, so my words will appear from top to bottom. So here I have it, that my words appear from bottom to top in terms of readability. So I have just showed you how to change the text direction of text within a table. I'm going to go further by doing one other thing. I just want to center the text in the table. So here under alignment, I click on the center alignment text option here. I hope this video will be of help to you. Thanks for watching.